Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to solve very popular and simple Java program. Check whether a number is prime or not. If you are a beginner in a programming or preparing for the interviews, this is the must know the logic. I will explain it step by step and by the end you will able to write it on your own. So let's get started. Before going to the coding part, let's understand what is a prime number. Prime number is a natural number greater than 1 that is only divisible by 1 and itself. Means prime number is such a number which is greater than 1 and which is divisible by 1 and divisible by itself. Only that number is called as a prime number. It should be a greater than 1 and it has the two factors 1 and itself. The example of prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 17, etc. Here let's take one example 3. 3 is a prime number because it has two factors, right? 1 and 3. So we are calling 3 as a prime number. Let's understand one more example 4. It is not a prime number because it is divisible by 1, 2 and 4. So it is not a prime number. Let's understand how we can code and how we can check the number is prime or not with the help of coding. Let's create one project, file, new, and you can see here Java project. If you can't see there, go to other and click Java project. You can see here, right? Java project. Click on this and click next. And here enter the project name. You can give any name here. I will give programming class. Then click on finish. Don't create. Now in the left side you can see here programming class. Now right click on src and go to new and create a class called as, we are checking here prime number, right? I am giving the similar name prime number. Now we need a main method, so we are clicking here public static void main string of args, then click finish. Now let's take one number int num equal to 3. We are taking one number that is 3 and store it in the variable num. It should have a type integer, so that's why we are taking as int. Now let's take one more variable int count equal to 0. So we need, if we want to tell that it is a prime number, it has the exactly two factors, right? So to check counting that and to check the factors, we are taking the count variable and we are taking one more variable int I equal to 1. We need to start from 1 and we need to go up to the number. So we are taking I. Now let's take one loop, that is a while loop, and we are giving one condition I is greater than or equal to num, and we are taking one more condition, that is if loop, and inside that one more condition, that is the number modulus of I equal to 0. Then if we get a reminder as a 0, we are coming inside this if loop and incrementing the count plus plus, and we are incrementing the I plus plus. I will explain it with the example. Right, we are taking the number as 3, right, and I as 1, and count as 0. Now let's check this condition. We are coming here outermost loop and we are checking the condition. 1 is less than or equal to 3. Condition is true. So coming inside this while loop, and we are checking one more condition, that is 3 modulus of 1 equal to 0. Yes, we are getting a reminder as a 0. Then we are incrementing the count. Now count become 1. Now we are incrementing the I. Now I become 2. 2 is less than or equal to 3. Condition is true. So come inside this while loop and we are checking one more condition, that is if 3 modulus of 2 equal to 0. If we are dividing this and we are not getting a reminder as 0, so it will be not come inside this if loop. We are skipping this part. Count should be as it is. There is no increment because we are not coming inside this if loop. Now we are incrementing the I++. Now I become 3. Right? We are checking the condition. 3 is less than or equal to 3. Condition is true. Come inside this while loop and we are checking here condition 3 modulus of 3 equal to 0. Yes, we are getting a reminder as the 3. 0. Sorry, we are getting a reminder as a 0. So come inside this if loop and we are incrementing the count. Now in the previously count become 1, right? Now if you are incrementing the count, it will become 2. Then we are incrementing this I become 4. 4 less than or equal to 3. No, condition is false. So we are come outside this while loop. And we need to check if it is a prime or not. Here is the main important part. We are checking here count equal to 2. We need to check it has exactly 2 factors or not. So we are giving a condition as if count equal to 2. It has exactly equal to count means if count having the value 2, exactly 2, then we can say that the number is prime. So we are printing it out, system.out.println, and it is a prime number. So let's print it out in the else part. The count is not equal to 2 means count is something 1 or count is something like 3 or 4, something like that. We can say that it is not a prime number. So we are printing it as it is not a prime number. Let's run this code. Let's check it out. 3 is a prime number, right? It is a prime number. For the clarity purpose, I will give number. Now save it out and run this program. 3, it is a prime number. Three is a prime number, right? Here we can check. Let's take 4 and save it out and run. 4 is not a prime number, right? Let's take 5 and run the code. See, 5 is a prime number. It is going to check if it is a prime number or not. If it is a prime number, it is printing as it is a prime number. If it is a not, it is printing as it is a not a prime number. So this is how we can check if it is a prime number or not. So that's how you can check if the number is prime in Java. Try to change the program to check prime in a range of the number from 1 to 100. That's your challenge for today. And make a changes. One more thing, here we are given a direct value, right? Take the input from the user and try to check if it is a prime number or not. Logic and everything is same, but take the input from user. Okay, if you found this is a helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more beginner friendly Java program. See you in the next one. Thank you.